If you're choosing between Einstar 2 and Creality Raptor Pro, this isn't just scanner versus scanner. It's ease of use versus raw precision. So which 3D scanner is actually better? Let's break it down. Einstar 2 is designed to be easy and versatile. It's wireless, lightweight, and can scan everything from small objects to large environments with full color capture. It also uses a hybrid light system, making it more forgiving on different surfaces and lighting conditions. But here's the catch. It's not the most precise scanner in its class. It's built more for usability than ultra-high accuracy. Creality Raptor Pro takes the opposite approach. It focuses on precision scanning with blue laser technology capable of much finer detail, making it better for engineering, inspection, and detail parts. The downside is usability. It's more complex, less beginner-friendly, and doesn't prioritize things like color capture or portability. So which one is better? Choose Einstar 2 if you want ease of use, portability, and versatility. Choose Raptor Pro if you need maximum precision and engineering-grade detail. Bottom line, Einstar 2 is the better overall scanner for most people. Easier, more flexible, and more practical. But if your priority is pure accuracy and professional-grade scanning, the Raptor Pro wins. For creators and general use, Einstar 2. For engineering and precision work, Raptor Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.